I just washed and conditioned my hair, which is why it looks the way it looks. Okay, chill out. But I will be reviewing the Pattern blow dryer today, made by Tracee Ellis Ross. And y'all, I'm so excited to be reviewing this blow dryer because I don't know, I just feel like I've been wanting like a Dyson. I didn't get one because first of all, I'm just not paying that much for a blow dryer, but I was like, since it's Tracee, you know, we want to, it's Black History Month, I'm gonna support the Black women. And I was like, what other blow dryer to buy and try other than yours truly, Miss Pattern Queen. I cannot wait. Okay, so let's get into the packaging. Y'all, I think that's the favorite, like that's my favorite thing about this whole dryer is the packaging. Like, if you look at it, she has literally the most massive box she could find, and she made it work. And I love that. And it's so cute. It makes you really feel like you just bought something. You know, you really did. Like, you really just bought something. Like, you know how sometimes when you buy stuff and like it just doesn't even look worth the money? This dryer definitely looks worth the money. So when you open it up, this is just what it looks like. You have all of your attachments, in which I had took some of them out, which is why they like sliding all over the box. But anyway, you have all of your attachments, and of course this beautiful piece of art. I love this color. Like, it is literally so sleek, and like I'm so excited to use it. So yeah, this dryer comes, like I said, with 4 attachments. You have your comb and your diffuser, which I don't really use diffusers, but I'm excited to use it because, you know, like I said, I don't use diffusers, and I heard good things about hers, so stay on the lookout for that. And it comes with this brush. I think I'm probably going to use the brush, the comb, and the concentration nozzle. I really don't have a reason to use the diffuser, but we'll see. So yeah, I did purchase her mousse and her heat protectant. Now, I bought the mousse because I want to try to do a flexi rod set, and I'm gonna say try with a lot of faith, because the last time I did a flexi rod set, I hated it. The curls didn't last. I don't know what happened. Okay, so far it comes with a very lengthy cord, which I love, because I don't know what it is about some people and the manufacturing and the designing of dryers. They want to make the cord this short and expect you to blow dry your whole entire head, and I hate that. This has a very long cord, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in so we can hear what it sounds like. So one more thing, this dryer does have a cool shot. So if you are interested in using cool air to blow dry your hair, I would definitely recommend it if you have like really bad heat damage, or if you just kind of want to minimize your heat. Use a cool shot. It might take a little longer, but we gonna see. We gonna see with this bad boy. Okay, so we got it plugged in, and these are the settings. And this is the cool shot that I was telling y'all about. So you'll just click that, I'm pretty sure, and it'll give you some cool air. Okay, moment of truth. It ain't turning on. Hold on, y'all. Wait a minute. Why is it not working? Hold on, y'all. Let me figure this out. Okay, I got it. Moment of truth. Okay. Sounds pretty fancy. I like it. Let's go ahead and test it on my hair. this is a good dryer. It's definitely the truth. It took me probably like 6 minutes to dry this one section. I kid you not, like less than 10, and it's like already dry. You know how some dryers have like so much heat that it just like burns your hand, it burns the back of your neck. Like, I don't know what kind of technology this dryer has, but the comb, y'all, it is so detangling, and I think it's because it's wide tooth and it doesn't have those short little stubby I forgot what you call it, teeth, and it's perfect. It's perfect for natural hair. This is like the dryer for natural hair. This is the spokesperson for blow drying natural hair. It's perfect. Like, and my hair gets tangled. Like when you have to blow dry my hair, it gets really, really tangled. And this is detangling. It's all of it in one. The comb, the teeth are perfect. Like, it is perfect. So now I'm gonna do this section, and I'm gonna try to do each section with the different attachments so I can like get a feel of how each one works. Like I said, I'm not gonna use the diffuser because I don't have a reason to, but I will be using the brush next. So yeah, but this, I honestly think, I ain't even tried the rest of them, and I think this is my favorite. I feel like this is gonna make it easier to do blowout styles because I don't do them because I hate blow drying my hair. And this is like easy and fun. It's so lightweight. I hold it right here so I have like more control, but it was just like perfect. Good job, Tracee. I like this. Okay, so I just put the brush attachment on, and let's try it. Y'all, my hair is blow dried. That took me literally 2 minutes. I don't know. I don't think I've ever had my hair blow dried this quick. This took, y'all, 2 or 3 minutes with the brush attachment. I said the comb was my favorite, but it's the brush. It's the brush. Tracee, what kind of crack you got in this? Hey, y'all. This is on the lowest setting. I have it on 1, and then like the lowest setting, and my hair is blow dry. Like, I mean, it's done. I'm behooved right now. I am behooved. Okay, so before I get ready to do these last 2 sections, it's super duper easy to take the attachments off. There is a button right here and a button right here, and all you do is squeeze that and the attachment comes out. And this also looks really, really easy to clean. Like, this whole thing can basically like almost come apart, but this back part comes off too. So she made it easy to where you can clean all around here once the dryer gets dirty. And I'm pretty sure you can like maybe rinse this off and dry it, and it snaps back on just like that. I'm also using her heat protectant. This might be another reason why my hair is getting blow dried so quick. And y'all, it's heat protectant, but it's not much heat coming out. Like, it's in a good way, if that makes sense. The heat is not like an oven on the lowest setting. it's very, very minimal. Like, I feel like I don't need heat protectant because her dryer is not giving you too much heat to where it's like, okay, you're gonna damage my hair just blow drying it. So I just realized something. This is a concentration nozzle. There's no way I can like detangle or comb through my hair while it's being blow dried. I'm gonna just use the brush attachment for the rest of my head actually. But let's just see how long it takes to finish. Okay, so I just did one more pass over my entire head. So this is how everything looks. And I'm gonna do like, see, I wanna do like a set because I just like how my hair looks when I take it out of like a knot. I am obsessed with the results. Tracee, I love it. I'm absolutely in love. Tracee, you did your thing. But I am going to try to do like maybe like a Bantu set with the mousse. But I just kind of wanted to review this dryer, and y'all stay tuned for that next video, and I will see y'all next time.